Verdant AI tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Verdant AI. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Verdant AI, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Verdant AI, it is an AI-powered software development platform designed to help developers and teams build applications faster through autonomous and parallel AI agents, which is often described as an AI technical co-founder. And Verdant allows users to describe a project or feature in plain language, after which the system automatically plans tasks, breaks them into subtasks, executes coding workflows, and manages progress account projects. Its platform combines AI-assisted coding, project management, and many more. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description, or alternatively, you can click the download button on the top right corner, where you can start downloading depending on the kind of devices that you have, such as for Windows, for Mac OS, and many more. But before that, in terms of the pricing plan that they offer, we have here the free plan, the starter, pro, and max plan with the corresponding benefits, including on each plan in here, and the corresponding prices. Now after downloading the application, this is basically what the homepage looks like of Verdant. As you can see on the left side panel, we're currently under the manager section, where it will show us in here how we can start using this application of Verdant, in which it is designed with a modern developer-focused dashboard that emphasizes productivity, multi-agent collaboration, and workflow transparency. You can also navigate on the left side panel in here, your account settings, to do the dashboard, use docs, change log, community, feedback, and even to log out. And by clicking the skills option below here, this feature allows users to extend the AI agent capability through reusable knowledge packs and workflow modules. You can simply use anything from here such as documentation, lookup, linear, algorithmic art, Figma, and many more. So basically, skills panel of the interface, this option lets user browse, install, create, and manage specialized skills for different development tasks such as front-end design, document editing, PDF handling, PowerPoint generation, debugging, spreadsheet analysis, and many more. And under this chat option, you could also turn on the system notification or in-app notification in here, as you can see. You can navigate also on the left side panel under Verdant settings, this agent personalization, where you can personalize the entry position, in which this option allows user to customize how AI agents behave, respond, and execute tasks according to their preferred workflow and development style. Now aside from that, you could also choose the right model for you that you prefer, in which this allows user to choose and configure different AI models for specific development tasks and workflow. Through this feature, developers can assign preferred models based on the performance, speed, reasoning ability, or cost efficiency. We have here GPT 5.5, 5.4, Gemini, and many more. While for the channels, you have an option to choose to connect your Slack account, Telegram, and Facio account by simply clicking the connect button and signing your account. Now under integrations, it will show you in here that you can integrate a variety of applications, including your GitHub account, Linear, Notion, Stripe, and Snapbase. And this allows users to connect external platforms, development tools, through productivity services directly into the Verdant ecosystem. While under the rules option from here, it allows user to define custom instructions, constraints, and behavioral guidelines that AI agents must follow while working on projects. While the permission option in here is a security and control feature that allows user to manage what AI agents are allowed to access and execute within a project or workspace. While the sub-agent option enables user to create and manage specialized AI agents that handle specific tasks within a larger development workflow. From here, you can simply turn on the general, the verifier, fast context, and many more. While the skills option in here, in Verdant is a customizable feature that allows user to expand the capabilities of AI agents by adding a reusable tools, workflows, and specialized knowledge modules. Now through the skills interface, user can install, create, and manage different skills designed for tasks such as coding assistance, debugging, UI design, document generation, data analysis, API integration, and even automation. While this reviewer option is a quality assurance feature that allows AI agents to analyze, inspect, and validate code or project outputs before final implementation. While this terminal option provides user and AI agents with a recommend line access inside the development environment, allowing automated and manual execution of coding, testing, and deployment tasks. You can set here the font size, font family, the line height, letter spacing, and many more. On the other hand, the editor option is the primary workspace where users and AI agents create, edit, and manage code or projects files in real time. It is designed similarly to modern code editors. The interface includes syntax highlighting, file navigation panels, and auto-completion, version tracking, and AI-assisted coding tools to improve development efficiency. While this diff option is a feature that allows user to compare changes made to files, code, or project content before applying updates. And lastly, under the Verdant settings, this code intelligence option is an advanced development feature which allows or helps AI agents and users better understand, analyze, and navigate project code bases. So now, aside from those kind of options to use in here on Verdant, we can now start adding here a prompt to follow by Verdant AI. So as you can see, this is my prompt in creating the website, and you can make it more detailed if you want to. And also, you need to remember that Verdant AI also uses a credit system because many of its features rely on powerful AI models and cloud-based computing resources that cost money to run. So like this one, when you send a prompt or command, Verdant may activate multiple AI agents, perform code analysis, execute terminal operations, review files, or use advanced reasoning models simultaneously, in which this kind of operations consume server processing power, API usage, storage, and model tokens, which are measured through the credits. So to use it, you can simply add our payment method, and it will automatically be deducted to our account. And you could also choose your own preferred plan in here. Since these credits help Verdant manage resource usage fairly among users while also preventing abuse or excessive automated processing. Simpler actions usually consume fewer credits, while larger or more advanced development tasks consume more because they require higher computational power and longer AI execution time. And now aside from that, you could also navigate the layout, the design, or the style in here. Since currently we're in the dark mode, you can click the settings option and we can choose here light mode or even the system mode. You could even choose the languages, the update mode, and any other options in here that you can navigate on Verdant. So basically, the importance of using Verdant AI lies in its ability to improve software development, productivity, automation, and collaboration through the AI-powered workflows. And Verdant helps developers and teams reduce the time and effort required for coding, debugging, testing, documentation, and project management by using intelligent AI agents that can work simultaneously on different tasks. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Verdant AI. Thank you.